Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to new viewers and welcome back to returning viewers. Thank you all for tuning in. I'd like to start today by welcoming new channel member Robert Brian-QZ2QT. Thank you for joining, Robert. If you'd like to support the channel by becoming a channel member, there will be information at the end of the video. Alright, let's get started with this 1923 Ford T-Bucket C-Cab replica listed for $29,900 US in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. It is an automatic transmission, listed in excellent condition, has a clean title, and from the seller's description. This is a special constructed 1923 Ford T-Bucket C-Cab replica 383 Chevy engine with a supercharger TH400 automatic transmission. Will consider trade on anything of value, not a scratch on it, street legal. And up next, we have this 1989 Austin Healey replica, listed for $17,500 US in Summerfield, Florida. It's been driven 2,200 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Austin Healey 3000 replica comes with a hardtop and soft top, Buick 3.8 V6 motor, automatic. Okay, here we have a 1929 Mercedes-Benz Club Wagon replica, listed for $8,700 US in Chicago, Illinois. It's been driven 2,054 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, mint condition, one-of-a-kind replica, drop-top Mercedes-Benz Roadster, 5-liter Mustang, drives perfectly, willing to trade. Alright, here we have a 1958 Porsche Outlaw 356 replica, listed for $39,250 US in Woodstock, Illinois. It's been driven 6,000 miles, has a manual transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Porsche 356 Speedster replica built circa 2008, 2,275cc flat 4 mated to a 4-speed freeway flyer transaxle, fiberglass body, tubular chassis, front disc brakes, rear drums, dual carburetors. And here we have a 1973 Ford Blakeley Bearcat, listed for $11,500 US in Hot Springs, South Dakota. It's been driven 5,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1973 Ford Blakeley Bearcat convertible, 1973 Ford chassis, fiberglass body, manual clutch 4-speed, runs great, no top and no spare tire. Okay, this is a custom hypercar, so not really a kit or replica, but I think it's pretty sharp, so I thought I'd include it today. Here we have a 2026 Vetter RZR listed for $23,500 US in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. From the seller's description, Vetter RZR, small block Chevy 383, Lotus manual transmission, new starter, carb, distributor, wires, plugs, alternator, radiator, does run and drive, but brakes need work, price firm. Alright, here we have a 1969 Volkswagen Custom Beetle, listed for $19,500 US in Ballstone Spa, New York. It is a manual transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Volkswagen Beetle with a flatbed truck conversion, 1776cc chrome motor, full custom exhaust, 4-speed manual transaxle, custom interior, paint, airbrush, and pinstripes, runs fantastic. Okay, here we have a Spider SG wide body roadster, listed for $17,900 US in Ottawa, Illinois. Its condition is listed as new, and from the seller's description, all metal, custom built wide body roadster Spider SG, tubular frame, 1776 motor, painted in Porsche 2M8 acid green, $17,900 or best offer. Alright, here we have a 1967 Shelby Cobra, listed for $48,000 US in Princeton, Missouri. It's been driven 11,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, built in 2011, 521 cubic inch engine mated to a Tremec 6-speed, Holley X-Flow EFI, Willwood disc brakes, QA1 adjustable shocks, Mustang 2 front end with remote power steering. The decals are all static cling and can be removed and placed wherever you want without damaging the paint. $48,000 or best offer. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy, listed for $11,500 US in Pascagoula, Mississippi. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy, title in hand, registered in Mississippi, 1600cc engine, 4-speed transmission, all works great, side pods included but not installed, also comes with tow bar. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.